Hey guys, so I have a problem today because my brain is like fried. I think I need caffeine and we don't have any in the house. What can I film that takes like 0.1% of my mental? I forgot that I didn't film this month's Kawaii box, so I actually opened this already and I ate the candy, but I took pictures of the candy and stuff. So let's show y'all. It was because like when I got the package it got wet and I was like, I need to make sure that this is okay. I need to make sure that the package doesn't get all fucked up. So I opened it. So let's show you guys what we got this month. I got this little kitty cat plush, which is so fucking cute. This is the one from last month and this is the one from this month. The quality is pretty consistent. It's so soft. Honestly, I like the kitty one more because, you know, I'm a cat person. I have a cat. I love cats. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna keep them next to each other, to be honest. They're cute. I like that they put a plushie in. So there is this, and this is a key thing, a charm thing. So you kind of put your keys in it. I don't know if I will keep this. I might just put it up on my shop, to be honest, because I don't think I'm ever gonna use this. But there's that. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Don't know if I'll ever use this. Maybe I'll use this for like acrylic, like put it in the acrylic. That'll be so cute. But I got this. It's just like a nail art thing. It looks like fucking Little Mermaid, but like uncopyrighted. It's so cute. And I just noticed it, like feeling it. It's little diamond thingies on it. It's so cute. So this is so good. I think I might use this for like thank you notes for my Depop. But this is so cute. It's like a unicorn walrus type thing. And I'm not even sure, like, let's open this. I think it's like, it says sticky notes, but it looks like little cardstock. Let's see. Oh yeah, they are. They are Post-its. They are so cute. I definitely will use these. I feel like, honestly, before I used to like just hoard stationery, but now that I have a Depop shop, I just kind of use that as an excuse to fucking buy stationery. And then I'm like, I can make cute thank you cards and it's cool. It's okay. This month also has like these plushie stickers. Honestly, don't know if I'm gonna use these, but they're cute. It's like again, the non-copyright Little Mermaid. It's cute. Oh my god. For people who don't know, I love notebooks. I love notebooks with all my life. But look at this. That was the weirdest face I've ever made. But yeah, look at this. So basically, this is just a notebook, and I've noticed that the stationery is from the same brand, which is Tree and Art. It's cute. I mean, this is so cute. This is like handwritten, and it's so look at this girl. She's so cute. Oh my god. And the inside is just like regular notebook paper. It's nothing too special. Actually, it says something. This is discover your dreams. Yeah, discover your senses. Never mind. Discover your dreams would have been cuter, but it's cute. Just lined paper. I feel like you can never have enough of these notebooks. Says that, bought like 1,000 of these type of notebooks. Yeah, I have a lot of those type of notebooks, but honestly, they're all like packed up in our storage room because I have no space for all those notebooks. So maybe you can't get too many of those notebooks. So the last thing that's in here. Oh, that's cute. I just realized that they wrote that. That's so cute. So the last thing that's in here is a little towel, like a hand towel. I fucking love hand towels. Like, I am honestly obsessed with like hand towels. Like, John is always telling me that I'm buying too much because I do. Like, if we go on vacation or like when I go like Japan or like anywhere, I tend to buy these because in America you don't really see them as much. Or like, you know, like the magic towels. I fucking love those. I'm like, you can get them from Dollar Tree if I can buy those a lot too. They're so cute. It's so cute. I feel like I will use it. I feel like she will be. And her name is Michael. He's so cute. Yes. So, honestly, how do I feel about this box after 2 months? I think I like this one more than the last one, but I did cancel it because I do want to try a bunch of subscription boxes, and I am poor, okay? I can't pay for 3 or 4 subscription boxes at once, unless, you know, you guys want to donate to the Poor She Love Fund, which, I mean, if you want to, I can leave a link. I'm half kidding. This is cute. I like all the stuff. I like I said, I like this one better, but I feel like I would rather try like a Doki Doki box or something like that because they have more licensed things, which seem like there would be more for the bang for the buck, you know what I mean? Even though, you know, you can get like stuff like this at Daiso also. I think it's really cute. I know you guys enjoyed the video last month, but if there's any other subscription boxes you want me to try for this channel, let me know. Yeah, let me know. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.